In this video, we are going to talk about aligning your true purpose and think beyond the hustle. Yes, in this video, if at your early 40s or even late 30s, you have started thinking that I have achieved many things in my personal and professional life, but I'm not feeling good. I'm not feeling that I'm contributing something in other people's life, or I'm not feeling that uh, something I'm doing what I want to do, then this video is for you. If you really think that you deserve to receive more, you deserve to create more, and you are capable of doing more, then this video is for you. Stay till the end, and I will tell you step by step how you will understand that something is the calling and how you can respond, the step by step guidance of how you can start, what to do, what not to do, and what should be your first step. If you are new to this channel and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. And if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe, because in this channel I have decided to help 40 plus women so that they can identify their true purpose. What is their true purpose? Whether there is really a term called purpose is really exist. I will talk about all these topics in my future videos. So if you can resonate with this, if you feel that you deserve a better life and you can have that, please subscribe to the channel. So let's talk about inner alignment, which is go beyond the hustle. So in our traditional society, hustle is that one thing we have learned from our school. The competition was the most important thing in our school. And all our academic life, we have been taught that people who are ahead, they will be ahead in the life itself. And we all have learned how to compete with each other, and we have never taught how to collaborate and still we can grow. So today's video I'll be talking about this. But before this, let me discuss about how many of you feel that you are not working whatever you can. I mean, you are not using your true potential. I think 7, 8 years back, or even more than that, I mean, I think 10 years back, I started asking this question to myself. And I always believe that I deserve more because I am capable to give more, to create more, and to achieve more for me and for others. And that is why I keep on growing in my life. So in today's video, I will tell you what are the questions I started asking in my life at that point of time. The first thing I used to tell myself that I'm doing a lot in my career, but this is not all. I have more potential to do, but I didn't have any idea that time how. So I started searching, I started reading books, I did my postgraduate. All those things I was doing, I was thinking that I will get some answers and I will learn something. But almost in the initial stage, 4 5 years, I was just searching without having any answer. And those years were a little frustrating, but I kept on going because I love learning, and I always love learning and teaching. And that is why I think almost 5 years back, 6 years back, I started my YouTube channel. I was very bad at it. I mean, the video recording, the speaking, I was not able to speak for 2 minutes at the same time, and I started my YouTube channel. The intention was to help someone with the knowledge which I have. And slowly I started learning all those skills which are needed. And I don't say that I have learned it all, I am also growing in my career, and I have learned many things. So apart from my academic career, which I am doing my PhD, also I have learned life coaching, healing, NLP, graphotherapy. All those things actually help me, that even though I have kids, I have my PhD, I could do everything together. There are so many of my colleagues who told me that, how are you doing everything? We even can't handle one thing, and you are handling all the thing. And sometimes I used to also ask myself that how I am able to do it. It's not that I didn't feel overwhelmed, I didn't feel a little bit of stress, but because of these knowledge, it helped me to do it all. So now the second part, what questions, identify what are the questions you are asking yourself, because most of the time we just stop it, we just tell ourselves that no, we can't quit our job, we can't quit whatever we are doing, and we are not even ready to listen to our soul. So please don't stop your soul, or whatever messages you are receiving from your guide or higher self. Listen to it, at least write it down. So journal it out, whatever thoughts are coming in your mind. That is the very very first step, because aware of your questions, aware of your feelings, those are the first step to identify. And the next step is identify, is the feelings, I mean, are the feelings are positive or negative? Most of the time it will be negative, and that is the time when you all maybe are feeling self doubt, that अभी तो 40 हो गया, I mean now we are already 40 or 40 plus or maybe late 30s, now we can't start. That is the question I never told and or asked to myself, because I believe that I can start anytime. And there are many examples even in the business world who have started late. So you can just Google and just search that who have started in their late 40s, late 50s and still achieved a lot of growth. So it doesn't matter when are you at currently at your biological age, because when you do something which you love to do, I mean it seems little poetic, but literally you will be able to do it even when you are super tired, because tiredness is only your body's tiredness. I am not telling you you should do it, but I am telling that how people are saying that I don't do anything because I am doing my purpose work. It's literally true. Now, the next step is how to identify your purpose. And that is a very, very critical question. Most of the people are stuck here because they feel that they don't know what is their purpose. So, until I am very clear about my purpose, I'll not do anything. That is the biggest mistake all the people are doing. I didn't have any knowledge of my purpose. Maybe I still don't know. Purpose is not the only one thing you will be clear about and you will be working towards. Many people, they don't know what is their purpose. It's perfectly okay. How to identify your purpose is the first question you have to ask, that what is the feeling I want to feel in my life? So when I started my journey, I wanted to feel gratitude and blessed and loved. So those are the my top priority, feeling and successful obviously. So those four feelings are always is my top priority. Blessed, loved and successful and happy. I think for most of us these are the most important positive emotions. You may have other priorities also. So whatever we do as our career or in our family life, we always seek these emotions, and whatever work gives you maximum of these emotions, that becomes our purpose. Purpose is not only one work, If you see all those leaders, Swami Vivekananda or any other leaders, if you see how they have worked in their life, it's not that day one they were aware of their purpose. They were seeking their purpose and continuously evolving through learning, through teaching, through interacting with people, and this is how they have grown in their life. So, all those philosophers, all those great leaders, I think that is the way, and that is how I have learned that is how all the people work towards their purpose. So this was the third step. How to identify your purpose is identify what are the 3-4 emotions you want to feel every day for the rest of the life. And then the step 4 is very, very important. Write it down somewhere. To feel that emotions, what are the activity you can do right now which will give you those emotions? It you may be aware of, you may not be aware of. If you are not aware of any of the activity which can give you these emotions, keep searching for it. If you want to consult me, talk to me, you can join the WhatsApp community there, and then ask the admin number, and we will contact you. I will help you to book a clarity call with me so that you can directly talk to me, and I will help you to identify what can be your purpose. It's not that this is the end goal. This is the goal which we want to live completely, continuously till the last day. So, this is my definition of purpose. Comment below what is your definition of purpose. Again, I am telling my definition of purpose is what is the feeling I want to feel till the death of my life, and what work is giving me that feeling. So, right now, my purpose is to help you to identify your purpose, and that is giving me immense pleasure, immense blessings, and immense gratitude that at least I have all those skills so that I can identify anyone's purpose very quickly. Comment how did you like the videos? Did you like the new type of content? What type of content do you want me to discuss? If you are in that age category, if you are feeling that you want to do something bigger than your own need, comment. I would love to read your comments so that I can plan the future content. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.